The WannaCry ransomware attack, which occurred in May 2017, had a profound impact, affecting over 230,000 computers across 150 countries. This incident starkly underscored the vulnerabilities that exist within outdated systems, as it demanded ransom payments in Bitcoin for the recovery of compromised data. In light of such incidents, cybersecurity practices have become increasingly vital, as they involve safeguarding networks and systems from unauthorized access. This is particularly crucial in our technology-driven society. Effective cybersecurity encompasses not only timely updates but also the implementation of rigorous security measures to mitigate potential risks. Within the realm of cybersecurity, various types of hackers fulfill distinct roles. For instance, black hat hackers exploit systems for financial gain, whereas white hat hackers are dedicated to legal and ethical endeavors aimed at protecting these systems. Gaining insight into the motives of these hackers can significantly enhance our security strategies. Furthermore, gray hat hackers present a unique challenge, as they may report system vulnerabilities without authorization and sometimes demand monetary compensation. This complex behavior raises ethical questions, thus necessitating a nuanced understanding of these distinctions within the hacking community. Dan's experience serves as a cautionary tale, illustrating the repercussions of disregarding cybersecurity measures. His case underscores the imperative for businesses to adopt proactive security strategies, highlighting the inherent risks they face in the absence of ethical hacking practices. In contrast, John, an ethical hacker, proficiently identified and addressed vulnerabilities, thereby demonstrating the critical role that skilled professionals play in the field of cybersecurity. His interventions not only significantly enhanced the security posture of Dan's company but also bolstered customer trust in their operations. The reconnaissance phase of an attack is integral to its success, as it involves utilizing tools such as map and ping to uncover vulnerabilities within the target system. This preparatory step is essential for devising an effective attack strategy. Moreover, maintaining access proves crucial for hackers, exemplified by John's practice of installing backdoors to facilitate undetected returns for subsequent attacks. This tactic underscores the importance of vigilance in cybersecurity defenses. To embark on a journey toward becoming an ethical hacker like John, individuals must cultivate a diverse skill set encompassing operating systems, programming languages, and networking fundamentals, while also becoming well-versed in relevant security laws and regulations. The financial ramifications of cybercrimes are staggering, with losses projected to reach an astonishing $6 trillion in 2021 alone. This alarming statistic reinforces the urgent necessity for the implementation of enhanced security measures across all sectors. As a result of these increasing threats, the demand for certified ethical hackers has surged, as organizations progressively recognize the paramount importance of cybersecurity in safeguarding sensitive information. This burgeoning need paves the way for promising career opportunities in the field. In the United States, the average annual salary for a certified ethical hacker hovers around $91,000, indicating the lucrative potential of this profession. Notably, similar lucrative opportunities are also available in various countries around the globe.